Introducing the Ranger S 2.0, the next evolution for the Ranger S, specialized in city rides and light trails. The Ranger S 2.0 debuts in a sleek black finish with white accented wheels for a retro and refined look. It keeps the rugged 20 by 4 inch fat tires, but now with semi-slick tread for quieter, smoother city rides and improved efficiency for longer range. Up front, you'll find a bright headlight for added visibility, while at the rear, you'll see the taillight has turn signals for added safety and visibility while on busy streets. Your ride is smoother than ever with a major upgrade. The speed sensor now jumps from 12 to 32 teeth, giving you a faster and more responsive pedal to motor ratio. Pair that with a hydraulic front fork and fat tires, and potholes or bumps won't stand in your way. The Hydroformed aluminum frame is stronger and lighter than traditional aluminum frames, while still foldable for easy storage. Folded, it fits neatly into a bin of about 50 gallons, making life and storage that much easier. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes in both the front and the rear, the Ranger S 2.0 gives you the confidence in your stopping power whenever you need it. The new color LCD display shows all your ride data: speed, distance, time, battery level, and even real-time power output. Icons light up when the headlight or turn signals are active, so you know your bike is always ready. It won't be any hassle at all for you to dismount and check to see if your turn signal is on or off. An angled, slightly back-bent handlebar with ergonomic grips keeps you comfortable and upright, making it perfect for cruising the city. Underneath it all, the Ranger S 2.0 stays true to its roots. It's got the 750 watt rear hub motor, which peaks at 1400 watts, giving you a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. Now that's fast. Paired with a 692 watt hour UL certified battery, you know that your bike will be powerful, reliable, and safe. The Ranger S 2.0 is all about joy. Joy in the city and on the trail, as well as everywhere in between. Unfold your ride and let your joy out.